15 years ago, the Lord called my wife, Dr. Angela Bymaster, a family physician, and myself, Brett Bymaster, to a low-income, Spanish-speaking immigrant community in the heart of Silicon Valley. Here in downtown San Jose, our low-income community faces a number of challenges: prostitution, drugs, gangs, and most of all, poverty. You know, you can see in this picture here, this burnout, homeless meth RV that's parked just a couple blocks from the world headquarters of Zoom and Adobe. Silicon Valley is one of the wealthiest and most powerful regions in the country. And yet, right at the heart of Silicon Valley, there is extreme poverty. It is a symbol of the incredible economic inequality that we face here in Silicon Valley. 2 years ago, the pastors in our community received a word from the Lord to build Ekklesia in healthcare. On October 31st, Halloween of 2019 last year, those same pastors stood just outside these doors. This was a building that had been abandoned for 7 years. And they declared that it was time to rebuild the ruins, that the Lord was going to repair the breaches. And today we are standing here in an Ekklesia in healthcare called Healing Grove Health Center. Our mission is to share the love of Jesus through healthcare, soul care, and culture care in order to bring the healing of the nations to our community. And I want you to hear how our community is responding and seeing Ekklesia in healthcare. I want you to hear the story of one of our low-income construction workers who saw Ekklesia baked into our building.
Mi nombre es Alfredo Molina, soy esposo de Liz, trabajo en la plomería y pues aporté un poco de lo que yo sé hacer en la clínica que va a empezar a trabajar muy pronto para el señor Brett.
Sabía que era una clínica, él pensaba que iba a ser una iglesia.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because I see all the signs on the wall. So when I go there, I ask my foreman and I say, oh, so, ¿qué es aquí? And he said, oh, I think it's a church or something like that. So, and I said, really? Nunca había mirado algo así. O sea, es por primera vez que yo veo algo así, por eso nos quedamos. Nosotros pensamos que se metieron y pintaron, porque nosotros no sabíamos que iba a ser clínica, ni de quién era. Dos cosas que se unieron: la clínica, pues ahora sí pues puede salvar una vida, y la iglesia puede salvar un buen camino de las personas que andan mal, pueden acudir. So, es como algo igual.
Alfredo and Liz and their 3 kids will become members at Healing Grove as soon as we open. And Healing Grove is really, like they said, it's a church and it's a clinic that's really designed to bring our community together, both the wealthy part of our community and the low-income part of our community. And I couldn't be more proud than to have them as members.